How to move picture in KineMaster. Now, in order to move picture in KineMaster, you just simply need to open KineMaster and create an edit where you want to move a picture. For example, I have this clip. Now into here, I have this picture which I would like to move. First of all, just simply select the picture which you would like to move. Then after that, from this menu, you will get to see this transformation or the transform option. Tap to transform, and from here you can move the position of the picture by dragging this upper option. Then you can move the Y position of the image. Then after that you can change the angle of the image like this, and you can also scale your image in size. Just simply manage all this stuff how you would like to move your image. And after that you can also mirror image in here, and if you want you can also fill your picture into the clip. Now, if you don't want to do any of these or you have done any mistakes, you can also reset all of them at one click. Now, you can do all this, or if you want to move picture, you can use this overall animation and you will get different animations to move your picture in your clip. I hope this video helped you to move your pictures. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.